Hey guys, it's Candace. I'm back with another video of real estate basics. As you know, with this real estate pre-licensing course, there's a lot of math, and for some of us, it's been a while. So by request, I had somebody ask me, well, how do I get from a fraction to a decimal? I realize it's been a while, like I said, so let's just do a quick review. Now, most of us know fractions look something like this. Or maybe you remember 3/4, or maybe you've got something that like 3/5. All of those are fractions, and the question becomes, well, how do I get it into a decimal? Let's start with the first one, 1/2. Now, 1/2, most of us remember that a half is equal to 0.5, but if you didn't remember that, what do? Lucky for you, when we're going from a fraction to a decimal, you just need to remember it means you need to divide. All right? So if we're dividing, you're going to take that 0.5, you're going to take that 1/2, and you're going to put in your calculator 1, divided sign, 2, the equals button, and you're going to see that's going to give you 0.5. Pretty simple, huh? Let's try it again. Maybe you have the 3/4. Well, in your calculator, I want you to put 3, the divided sign, 4, and that hit the equals button, and that's going to give you 0.75. And just because I've written it earlier, let's try 3/5. Maybe you know this one off the top of your head, maybe you don't. But if you can remember the dividing, that the fraction line just means dividing, think of the dots as numbers, then if you can't remember, you're just going to go 3, divided sign, 5, and that's going to give you 0.6. Now, I don't know about you all, but sometimes I have a little bit of difficulty remembering, do I put which number, divide which by what? So if you can remember TGIF, this all becomes a lot easier. Now in this case, TGIF does not mean thank goodness it's Friday. Instead, I want you to remember top goes in first. That's right, TGIF stands for top goes in first. Well, what do I mean by that? Well, let's say you have a fraction like 17/97. I don't know what that is. Let me grab a calculator. All right, so 17/97. If I can remember the TGIF in that this means I'm going to divide, this little sign right there means divide, I'm going to put 17 divided and then 97, put that in our calculator, and that's going to give you 0.175, which is going to be 17.5%. So I hope that helps. You see, it's pretty easy. I just want you to remember TGIF, top goes in first, and that anytime you have a dividing side, a fraction, that number, that little line in the middle, means to divide the numbers. Hope this helps. I'll see you all in class soon.